Night skincare lays the foundation of how your skin feels throughout the day. If you put a little effort to do it right for your skin, then morning skincare becomes really easy and it also saves a lot of time. Hi, I am Ritu and welcome to my channel. I'm going to follow the steps which I follow for my night skincare and works for me. Everybody's skin is different, so you might need to do your own research and find out what products work for you. My skin type is oily sensitive, so let's start with step 1. So step 1 is cleansing your skin. I don't always double cleanse, but if I'm wearing makeup, then I remove my makeup with olive oil. I take a few drops, apply it on my face and massage it well so that all the dirt and makeup loosens up, and then I wipe it off with a soft tissue paper. Then I go with a homemade face pack for cleansing. I have been using this face pack for years. It is a mixture of gram flour or besan and milk powder. I make a paste with water and apply it on my face. Recently I've also started to add a little bit of turmeric to it, and the water should be drinking water and not the tap water. So I make a paste of it and apply it on my face, keep it for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. Now while drying your face, don't rub your face with towel. Be very gentle and soft with your skin. Just pat on your skin. Now moving on to step 2, which is a toner. I use plain rose water as my toner. Currently I'm using this rose water by Tatvology, and it comes in a glass spray bottle which is very easy to use, and I just spray it on my face and pat on my skin. I don't use a cotton pad or something to wipe it off or anything like that. I just spray it on, pat on my skin so that it stays damp, and then we move on to step 3. Step 3 is a serum. I use essential oils for this step. Now you might have heard that oils are supposed to be the last step of your skincare, but I am talking about essential oils and not carrier oils. So there are two categories of oils that are mostly used in skincare: carrier oils and essential oils. Carrier oils are base oils which are used to dilute essential oils, and it can be used on its own, like olive oil, jojoba oil, or coconut oil. Essential oils, on the other hand, are very potent and they can go into the deeper layers of your skin and heal it and provide it with nutrients. I use the Helichrysum Rosehip oil by Juicy Chemistry, and it works great for my skin. It is a mixture of a lot of essential oils. You just have to take 3 to 4 drops of it, warm it up between your palms and apply it on your skin and pat it very gently. Sometimes I don't even need to put a moisturizer after I apply this oil, but I do go with a moisturizer on most of the days. And that brings us to step 4. But before that, I want to mention that along with good skincare, good sleep is also very important for our skin and overall health. And the kind of sleepwear that we use plays a major role in providing that level of comfort while we sleep. And on that note, Clovia's spring season sale is here, and you can get up to 80% off on a variety of products. They have affordable nightwear and some of the best lingerie at reasonable prices. I got some night suits from Clovia, and these are made of satin, which is very comfortable and breathable. You won't feel any kind of tugging on your skin, and sleeping in these kind of nightwear feels really good, and it's really good for your skin too. Satin and silk fabric also prevents wrinkles on your skin. Their collection have different themes, so you can have fun shopping from their website and selecting your favorites. You also get free shipping, cash on delivery, easy returns on unlimited styles. These are limited time offers, so do check out Clovia's website. The link is in the description box, and you can also find a coupon code there. Moving on to step 4, which is to moisturize your skin. I have been using the Nivea Soft Moisturizer for quite some time, and it's really good. It suits my skin. It has vitamin E in it, and I have been searching for another moisturizer with some more quality ingredients in it, but till then this does the job. Whenever I have an irritation on my skin, I just skip all these steps and stick to the rose water and this moisturizer. I post a lot of skincare content on my Instagram as well, so do follow me over there and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to visit the Clovia website. And I will see you soon.